Come on, right here. Hold on. Let me do your hair. Handsome Harrison. Oh, it's perfect. Yeah, you help with the box. You want to sit up here so it's easier? Sit. See, there you are. Cool, man. This is probably not a good idea, but you're on the counter. Say hi.
Hi.
Harrison's here. We got boxes.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. You gonna help me open the box? Here,
Okay.
let's open the tape. I'll get the tape off first. Ready? Now you can pull.
No.
Now go for it. Pull that way. Alright. Good job, dude. Alright, hold on one second. Let me grab that. Let's open it up.
No.
I like that excitement. It's like Christmas.
Heavy.
Yeah. Whoa. Here, let me help. Let's take this out like this.
Wow.
Wow. What do we have in here? I'll tell you. What is it? The shoe? The shoes, you said, huh? Wow. Cool, you ripped the paper, bro. Oh, man. Wow. Look at these guys. Wow, that's lots of colors, huh? Well, these are wild. I haven't seen these in person yet.
Yeah. Wow.
Cool, huh?
And shoes.
Yeah, what color is this?
A back.
Black, and what color is this?
I
Purple and blue.
a red shoe.
Yeah, those are cool, huh?
Oh.
Uh-oh, it's okay. We'll get that in a minute. Let's open this one too? Okay. Yeah, before I get into the details, let's go ahead and open this one. Pull. Oh yeah, you're good at this. All right, good job, Harrison. Let me grab this.
Box.
Another box.
2 box.
2 boxes. Here,
There you go. A big.
open. There you go. All right. So we got it. Oh man, just destroying my paper, bro. Ah. Okay. That's the paper. These are the shoes. What color are these ones?
A black. Hey, Mom goes.
Where did Mom go? Can you read this right here, Harrison? What does that say?
A K.
What does it say?
I. A K. A E.
Yeah, so is that, what is this one?
A N. I. K. E.
All right. Yeah, it says Nike.
Mikey.
Yeah. Can you say, just do it?
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Harrison. Can you say, just do it?
Dad, do it.
Okay, one more thing. Can you look at the camera here and say, cool, man?
Come on.
I love that one. That one's my favorite. Hey, thank you for helping with the video, Harrison. Good job.
Take up.
Good job.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys later.
See you later.
Can you say, see you soon?
See you soon. Bye.
So just to show you guys a little bit more about these shoes, look at these big bangs, dude. These are crazy. Super, super dope. So if you guys like that Harrison joined me for this video, give the video a thumbs up. But I want to show you guys what we ended up getting here. So the Foamposite One XXQS is what they call this one. Retail on the box was $230. I ended up getting these from Foot Locker. They randomly dropped at some crazy time through the night during All-Star Weekend, and I logged in, copped them. There was a full-size run, and then went back to check, and they were pretty much all gone. So felt really lucky that I got a pair. Really wanted these ones though, because I love the Galaxy foam. So I love that they brought back some sort of a vibe to the Galaxies. And this is a really crazy looking, space looking shoe. Some might not actually like the colors comparison to the Galaxies, but I actually really like these quite a bit. So definitely glad that I was able to cop a pair. And it came with the remove before flight tag, as you can see there. But all in all, I'll do a detailed review and a comparison to the Galaxy foams. If you guys want to see that video, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll show you guys that later. Whoa, moving boxes? Moving boxes over there? We put it in the trash can back there. Nice work. I just love the smell of a fresh pair of rubber sneakers in the afternoon. Nothing better than that. Hi. Tinker Hatfield's a legend in the sneaker area, Harrison. Oh, thanks.
Big box.
Big box. I throw it down here. Hiya! So this, in my opinion, is one of the best Air Jordans, pretty much out of all of them. And I will try to do a detailed review of these ones, a little bit more history on the shoe if you guys would like to see that. You can see the Nike in the bottom there again. This was my double up. I did an unboxing with the Air Jordan 17 from Soulfly. And I had my first pair, and this is my second pair right here. So definitely wanted to double up on these ones just because, even though I have the previous retro, I just want to be able to have extras. Yeah, buddy. Please what? Can I finish my video 1 second?
Yes.
Pick a box.
No, this. Like this.
Where are we going?
I go room. I go upstairs.
You want to put these upstairs? Good job, Harrison. It's very heavy. Good job. Good job, Harrison.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Oh.
Good.
Helping Harrison?
Yep. There we go. Good job. Thanks, Harrison.
Hi.
Sit. All right. So that is the video. I don't know what else to say. We'll just end it there. But it was fun to do this video regardless because I have my little dude and the wife is folding laundry, so I'm watching him. And this is how I dad. By making YouTube videos with my dude.
Go down there.
Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Detailed review. Leave a comment if you guys want it. Thank you guys for watching. I gotta go. Peace. Does it fit?
Yep.
Fits pretty good. You want to try the other one? Hold on, here. Here, this one on. There you go. All right, boss.
Hey, too big.
Whoa. Whoa.
Hey, too big.
Yeah, they're too big. Sorry, dude. Someday.